may have heard it recently, interest rates making big news. And in this game, everyone wants to wait, of course, to the bottom of the market before locking in on a rate. So if you're looking to get a new mortgage loan or even refinance to pay off credit card debt, now may be a great time to do it. Brent Ivinson, he's here to chat about what Ideal Home Loans does to help you not stress about this sort of thing and secure that low interest rate. Everyone's asking you. I mean, it doesn't matter who you are. This affects you.
Yeah, it does. You know, when we see these drops in interest rates, I think what's really got everybody is no one expected to see this. So, and you know, we thought that, hey, we weren't going to see rates with a 3 in front of it again. And here we are, 3.75%. So if you're buying or refinancing, it really benefits you. On the buying side, you could qualify for as much as $60,000 more in home. And refinancing, you could be saving $300 or $400 a month.
And I know when Brent comes, you all are like, wait a minute, well, didn't he say it was a different rate? You know, last time he was here, do you think it'll go down any lower?
You know, I think here's what I tell people. It could, but it's more likely they would go the other direction. Now, here's where you're covered with us. We have an interest rate guarantee, so you don't have to time the bottom of the market. If rates go down by 0.75% or more within 2 years of doing a home loan with us, we will refinance your existing loan with no lender fees, so you can take advantage of falling interest rates, but more importantly, secure a lower monthly mortgage payment.
And so people are looking and they're saying, wait a minute, but if it doesn't drop more than a point, it's not worth my time or money to refinance.
And that used to be, it's one of those misnomers out there. That used to be the case when your average loan amount was $100,000, but we're routinely seeing loan amounts of $400,000 and $500,000. So you've got to look at a couple of things. What does it cost you? And how much are you saving? You've got to determine a break even. And what we find is your typical break even is a handful of months and you're putting real net dollars back in your pocket. And gone are the days where you need to go a full point down. You got to look at the payment and how much you're saving.
Right, and going with a company that's going to help lock you in. Okay, so people who say, okay, I'm going to refinance, but do I have to start all the way and rewind 30 years? Yeah,
you don't have to. You know, the last time we saw low rates, we came up with this custom term mortgage product that we have at Ideal Home Loans. And so you can take that progress with you. You know, nobody wants to go back to a 30-year loan if they've paid 7 years of their current loan off, right? So what you really need is a 23-year home loan, and that's what we can give you. So you don't have to hit the reset button when you refinance. You can move forward with the progress you've already made.
All right, let's continue to move forward by getting that debt down. You guys help us manage that as well.
Yeah, you know, credit card debt, what's keeping people up, they're making payments and the balances are going nowhere. And that's because of how high the interest rates are on these cards and because of the way the interest is calculated. We're going to show you how to put money in your savings account every month, put extra money towards your mortgage so you pay your house off more quickly and get ahead that way as well, and get out from underneath all those credit card minimums.
So if you refinance, then you don't have to take a really long time to do that.
No, not at all. We can get your loan closed quickly, and here's the thing. You can get ahead. Not only are you going to get ahead with your credit cards, but you're going to get ahead by paying your house off more quickly as well.
And you're giving you're giving control back to the homeowner, which is important. You don't take that cookie cutter approach.
No, we don't. You know, we have hundreds of people who call our office every month. Everybody's situation is very different. So we want to put together a loan that works for you and your family and your situation so that, you believe it or not, you can have your home loan working for you rather than you just working to make your mortgage payment every month.
Ideal Home Loans, they always have somebody standing by, ready to answer your call. What will someone who decides to give you guys a call, what can they expect on the other end?
Well, the first thing you're going to hear, which a lot of people are taken back by, is what is it you're trying to accomplish? We want to know what you're trying to do as the consumer calling us. So many times our industry just starts telling people what to do. Well, we've got to know what your short-term and your long-term plans are so that we can put you in the right situation for you and your family.
All right, you're local, you're not a broker. How does that help customers? How does that benefit them?
Well, being a direct lender, we're in control of the entire process. So when we quote you fees, interest rates, timelines, we can stand behind all those things. And you know, I hear all these nightmare stories all the time about how terrible it was to get their last home loan. Unfortunately, you probably used a broker, and that's more about who you use than the process itself. We can cut through all the red tape because we're lending our own money.
And now you say it's a good time to buy a home, so if you're thinking about it, jump on it.
Jump on it for sure. This is the best time of year to buy a home. You have motivated sellers as you come into the holidays. Low rates, your money is going to go further than it has in quite some time.
And you say that you help those offers that people who come to you, they rise to the top. Why is that?
We do. We have a pre-approval process, so you can take advantage of our 3-week closing guarantee. It's like making an offer with cash. So everything's done up front. Sellers take notice of it. We find that our offers get accepted even when they're not the highest dollar amount offered because the sellers know we can close and close quickly.
All right, and he also says use a realtor. That's his other tip for you.
Absolutely.
Okay, with the rates in the 3s, that is lower than they've been in years. Take advantage of Ideal Home Loans' free home mortgage consultation. All you have to do is go online or give them a call with your questions right now. I just said somebody's standing by. Learn about all the custom loan options available just for you. And here's more good news. Your new first payment, it won't be due until December. There's a Christmas gift for you. Call now, 602-899-7000 or go to idealhomeloans.com.